think you'll be glad you stopped to say hello. Tacos for dessert. This is a twist on the Choco Taco ice cream sandwich that you knew as a kid. Cake artist Betheny Tomseth is here to share, only I feel like with our credibility on the line, we should make a confession. I've never had a Choco Taco ice cream sandwich.
I've never had a Choco Taco either.
And apparently we haven't lived, right?
I'm making up for it now.
No ice cream in this, but it's stuffed with beautiful, delicious cake. And just looking at it, I think is happy on the ice.
Yes, so fun.
When would be a good time to bust these out?
Okay, so, I mean, when wouldn't be a good time to make a cake taco, really? Cinco de Mayo is coming up. Yes. So that's a super fun one. Or Tuesday is also, you know, today. So
Taco Tuesday.
You can make them Taco Tuesday, Mother's Day, anybody who loves tacos, because who doesn't love tacos?
Yeah.
So if you have a person in your life that just, you know, they really, really, really love tacos, make them for their birthday.
There you go, a happy birthday taco little treat.
Yeah.
And I love the idea of Taco Tuesday because, heck, if you've got soccer practice that goes long and your tradition gets canceled due to Chick-fil-A for dinner, you still can come through on Taco Tuesday.
And they're so fast, too.
Really?
So you really can.
Show us how.
Yeah. Okay. So you're going to have to get a Pizzelle maker. Okay.
Pizzelle.
So, yep. And so you can get these on Amazon. I got mine from Orson Giggy's. They range anywhere from like $35 to $50. So this is a really fun one. It's kind of just like a little mini waffle iron.
Oh, cute. Look at the designs.
They have beautiful designs. So a Pizzelle is a little Italian cookie, and I make them at Christmas time. And so typically they're like kind of lemon flavored.
Okay.
And so I'm going to kind of grease my pan here, or my waffle iron.
If you were going to invest in this cute little gadget, there would be several applications, like a cannoli, I would think you could even make.
That's right. We have cute little cannolis here. I'm ahead of you. Yeah.
Always, always, girlfriend.
And then here's a cute little bowl, too. You can put ice cream in that, anything you want in that.
See our $35 investment, just bang for your buck right there.
And I make these every Christmas, so I mean, it's so worth it to me.
Okay, what's the batter?
So the batter is, it's a really easy batter. It's got like 3 eggs, like a cup and a half of flour, and then all the other kind of cookie ingredients. Mine kind of tastes like sugar cookies because I put vanilla and other stuff in it.
Good move on that.
I love it, I love it. Okay, so this actually comes with a measuring spoon, which is super useful, but I didn't bring mine today, of course. And so you're just gonna put like literally that much.
That's thicker than I would think.
It is, it's a thick batter, and it comes out kind of a really crisp cookie. Okay. So you have to work fast when you open this back up. And I mean,
I like the little sample there.
Really,
little finger sample. Just how we do it at home.
I've trained myself not to lick my fingers, but sometimes.
I love it.
Sometimes.
We feel connected to you. And
yes. Okay.
Oh, look at this.
So
it's working.
I'm going to make this,
but
I already have one out here. So while this is cooking, and it goes really, really fast, by the way.
Okay.
I'm going to stuff this with cake. So this is my cake, and all I did was bake like a 9x13 cake, and then I added some frosting to make like a cake pop mix.
Sure.
Right?
So it's a little kind of more moist.
That's right. But before I put that in, I'm going to dip the edges, because why not, in white chocolate.
Yes, you are.
That is how you're going to get those sprinkles on.
This just keeps getting better and better.
Now, there's a couple ways to do the sprinkles. I found that when I roll this in my sprinkles, I just get too much white chocolate in the sprinkles.
Okay.
So what I'm going to do to get some super cute sprinkles, guys.
Oh, look at the chunky assortment there.
I know. And so I'm just going to sprinkle them on like this. Make sure you get the edge.
We should ask how you got it into that little swoop shape.
Yes, I'm going to show you. When this comes out, I'll show you.
Okay.
But in the meantime, let's do this.
Sprinkle up.
There's that. And then here's your...
I don't want people to panic thinking this is uncooked cake. You baked the cake.
I baked the cake.
Mixed it with frosting.
That's right.
And that makes it moldable.
That's right. Okay, we're going to put this aside because I think this is done. Look at those beautiful things.
That was quick.
Yeah, that was quick. So I usually have a fork, but that's fine.
Hold on.
So all you're going to do is, that's it. No, that's good.
I'm worried about your fingers. Oh,
look at that.
She's a pro.
It comes with this form. It's a cannoli form, actually.
Okay.
So I just kind of do this, and then I'll take it over to my cooling rack and just let it stay in that shape.
And how long does it take to harden?
Like 5 minutes.
Okay.
But this is what it normally is when it comes out. It's just a flat cookie, but yep.
You've got nice baking burn-resistant fingertips or something.
Right. All burned off.
I know my grandma used to always say, if I ever were to be fingerprinted, there would be nothing, nothing there, right?
That's awesome.
Okay.
Okay, so back to our little cannoli here, or taco. I've got a Wilton 1M tip, but you know what? I found that a larger star tip would probably be better.
Okay.
But I've already got this in here, so all I'm going to do is just squeeze really, really hard and get that little shell going. Squeeze hard again.
Oh, this is fun.
Hard again.
Oh, this is fun.
Look at that.
That's adorable.
And then, of course, more
more sprinkles.
More. There you go. And there is your cake taco.
Yeah,
How fast did that?
I don't feel too bad about not having a Choco Taco in my youth.
No?
I think we can make up for it here and now.
That's right.
Those are so fun. And so many fun party applications, too, that you can bring this to your family table, to your family kitchen counter. Thanks for the tutorial. We appreciate it.
You're
You're always
welcome.
sharing fun ideas like this. I think I've said fun like 5 times in the last 3 seconds. It's fine.
Well, it's tacos,
It's fine.
so, yeah.
But you have your Instagram account. We can connect with you there.
Yes, Cake Happens on Instagram and Facebook as well.
Cake
and also
Happens.
tutorials and pictures and all kinds of fun stuff.
Yeah, beautiful cake inspiration you'll want to see. We have posted this tutorial as well on our website, studio5.ksl.com. If you click on the recipe button, you'll not only see the tutorial, but also a link to Bethany's Instagram and website and all of the other talented chefs and bakers that we share here on the show. So look at the recipe page there on the Studio 5 website. You'll be all hooked up.